Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's spelling lesson. So this week I am learning about the phoneme K, so the sound K. I can find things around my home with the sound K in them. I can make a list of different words with the sound K in them. And I understand that there's different ways to spell the sound K. And I can select my spelling words for this week. So that is what we're going to do in this lesson. So the first task I would like you to do is go around your house and have a wee look for things that have the sound K in them. Now remember, it doesn't have to begin with the sound K. It can have the letter kicking K in it or curly K in it. So you're just trying to think of words with that sound in them. So go around your house and make a wee list. Spelling doesn't matter at this point. You can ask mum and dad for help, or older brothers and sisters, or you can try it on your own. So go and give that a wee go for me just now. Fantastic. So hopefully you've got a nice big list of lots of things that you can see in your house that have that sound K in them. So I've got words like microphone, fork, ice cream, sink, steak, shoe rack. Hopefully you've got loads as well. So the next thing you can do, and maybe you can get mum or dad to help with this, or maybe an older brother or sister, is in your list of words, I would like you to put a wee dot or a line underneath the letter or letters that make the sound K in your words. So just like what I have done on my list, you can see the wee dots there. So that's the second task to try now with mum or dad or an older brother or sister. Well done everyone. So hopefully you've noticed that there's lots of different ways, or a couple of different ways of spelling the K sound. So this next wee bit is for the pens and the pencils group, but highlighters and crayons, you're more than welcome to attempt this challenge as well. So we may have seen that there are lots of different ways of spelling K. So we've got curly K on its own, we've got kicking K on its own, we've got a curly K and a kicking K together, and we have got a curly K and a H together. That one's not as common, but you might have found words that have that sound in it. So the next task for the pens and the pencils is to sort your words that you have found around the house into the correct column. So what spelling do you think matches up with the word that you have found around the house? On you go, guys. So hopefully you've had a good chance to sort all your words. It can be quite tricky, so hopefully someone has been there to support you with that task. Have a look at the words that I've sorted here. So I've just sorted a couple of words, but hopefully you've been able to sort a few more. So the word cooker could actually fit in the first two columns because it has a K and a kicking K in it. Got the word book there, pack, and I've added in the word choir. Probably not something you found around your house, but always good to know that choir does fit into that spelling rule. So what I'd like the pens and pencils to do now, here are some words that I've come up with, but you might have other words on your list that you can choose from, and I would like you to choose 8 words this week to have as your spelling words. So these ones that are on the screen at the moment are just suggestions. You might have other words that you found around the house that you think you want to have. That's absolutely fine. So if you could pick 8 words for me. Highlighters and crayons, again, these are just suggestions. Now we are only going to focus on the curly K and the kicking K spelling rules this week, because we've actually been lucky enough to do the curly K kicking K rule before. So again, these words that are on the screen just now are just suggestions. You might have found other words around the house that you're quite happy to have as your spelling words this week, and I would like you to pick 6 words. If you want to challenge yourself and pick 8, that is absolutely fine, but I would like at least 6 words with the K sound in them. Once you've picked your 6 words, guys, I've put up some activities to do this week. Again, these are just suggestions of things that you might want to do with your spelling words. So the first one, copy words daily. Number 2, rainbow words. Number 3, type your words into your online jotter. And number 4, write a sentence for each word. And this can either be on paper or you can do it on your online jotter. You can also use the activities that were included in the home learning pack. That's absolutely fine. When you've done your activities, you can tweet them, you can upload them to Seesaw, or you can just post them into the Teams chat and we'll have a look at them there. Have fun, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye.